stair lighting system lights up your stairs automatically when you enter the staircase area. The kit contains all that you need to have impressive stair lights: individual LED strips with protective casing, motion sensors, programmable controller and power supply for quick and convenient installation. Alternatively, we can supply the control unit separately if you prefer. Nowadays, more and more people are choosing linear LED lights for the staircase in their home that are installed directly on the stairway instead of the simple wall lights. These LED strips are usually placed with their midpoint aligned to the center of the step. You can create minimalistic elegance as you cannot even see the fittings. This type of installation lights each step evenly, an effect that cannot be created with overhead lighting, low-level recessed wall lighting or wall sconces. LED lights save energy by using small amounts of electricity to provide the perfect amount of light. Also, the heat produced by LED strips is far less than some other light sources. The controller, motion sensors and optional timer ensure that the lights are only on when needed.